planet sizes for next 3 years. Uh, as you know, Earth is not a stationary object. Moon is not a stationary. All the planets also move. And as they move, they get closer to each other and get farther. You can see here from this year to the next 3 years what will be the sizes of the planets from Mercury to the Neptune. Most interesting here is Mars. The others don't change much other than Venus in size, I mean. And so Mars will be in October at its biggest, as you saw before. You can go back and look at it. And then will be diminish again into a very tiny size, only around 4.5 arc second. Jupiter, surprisingly, will increase a little bit, not much, but you can see it. And the moon, you see, is all the time changing size because the farthest distance will be beyond 400,000 kilometers. The closest distance will be around 300,050 and something like that. And it changes distance every 2 weeks. So practically in every lunar cycle you see it twice in this kind of situations. That's the reason it appears as if it's going back and forward all the time in this simulation. This simulation is beautiful. You see the Venus now actually in 2022 will increase in size again in late February, March. And then the Mars will also increase gradually. Wait for it and you will see. Gradually it's changing, getting bigger. 6.97 arc second. July will be a little bit 7.98. Mars is getting gradually bigger. Look at it. It's getting larger and larger in the size. That's getting interesting. So by the October it will be around 12, 13 the arc second.